Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Sims 4 error code 16. The error reads, "An unexpected error has occurred while saving. Please consult the readme for details." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to save the game. In some cases, players have also shared that the game fails to load from the main menu because of this error. According to our research, the error may be caused by a lack of storage space, file conflicts, OneDrive syncing, or oversized save files. First, close out of the game completely and power cycle your device. Once the device restarts, open the game again and try to save. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still appears, try using the Save As option instead of Save. If the error still continues, then try to rename the save file to something else and check if it allows you to save. If the error still comes, then make sure your C drive has enough storage space. If it's running low, delete unwanted files and then try saving the game again. If the error still doesn't resolve, then go to the Saves folder, delete the bad file and copy everything from the backup folder to the main save folder. After this, try saving the game again and see if this helps with the error. If the error still comes and you are using OneDrive, try pausing it while playing the game. Some players have shared that syncing to OneDrive triggered the error for them. Once you're done playing, you can resume the sync and upload your files. So give this a try and see if this helps. If none of these steps helps, then check the size of your save file. If it's too large, that could be the reason for the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.